the 2020 Ford F-150. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a power seat, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, adjustable pedals, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.